I'm standing in the...
Get out of here, bird!
Hello everybody, welcome back to today's video. Today, my dad and I are going to fix the silo and get the silage running. We have to climb up there, make sure everything's all right, drop it down a door, fix what we need to fix, and run all the moldy silage out before we can feed the cows. So hopefully everything's all right up there. We can feed cows, and the day goes on. I'm standing in the...
Get out of here, bird!
I'm standing in the silage wagon, and we're gonna climb up there and start working on it. Make sure everything's all right, and we'll start feeding the cows silage.
Ready whenever you are.
All right, here I come. Oh, very dusty. So basically, climb up this ladder. Oh, man. And we're in. Hey guys, we made it inside the silo. As you can see, it is not full because a full silo will feed our cows and sheep for 2 years. So we cut silage every other year. Okay, so my dad's gonna explain a little bit how we lower this unloader down the doors as we're feeding silage.
Okay, so all these doors, all the way top to bottom, are where we open up to blow the silage out the door. So the unloader needs 2 doors open so that we can strap that chain around the door to hold this chute in place that blows the silage out. So there's an auger right behind Gabe. That auger augers the corn over to the blower, which is right there. There's paddles in the blower that throw the silage up the chute. It goes out the chute and out the door. And then as the unloader drops down and frees up another door, then we gotta climb up here. We take the chain loose that holds this pipe, that holds the chute. We take that loose and lower it down a door. We take the safety chain loose and lower that down a door. We take the plug-in loose, lower that down in the chute, and then plug it in through this door, and then we take the door we just dropped out and put it up top. And we do that from the top all the way down to the bottom as it unloads.
So basically all we did was unhook the chains from that door, dropped it down, dropped the power cables, put this bar on there, strapped it down, hooked the power cable back up, and put that door back in. So you can see that's what we've been doing all this time since the silo has been full, and we just keep working our way down as the silage goes down. So basically, we made it out of the silo. This is the cable that we let out to let the unloader down so it scoops up more silage and blow out. This is the on and off switch. You flip that up, everything turns on, spits silage out. And don't mind that, it's just our little oops. And yeah, so basically that's all it is. This was part of the motor. That's what let it up and down for us, but that doesn't work no more. So we're gonna get feeding. Oh, I forgot to show you our handy dandy door finder. So basically that marks where we put our last door. So slide it down, hammer ready to feed. Right there, that's our amps gauge. And you don't want that any more than 35, so we try to keep it at 32. And if it goes over 35, well, unloader's plugged up and Dad's not happy. May or may not have learned that from experience. And a little more about the silo. To the top of the cement, that is 60 feet. And I'm not sure how big around the diameter is. And this tube right here, when we cut silage, we hook this little blower thing up to it. We unload the silage wagons into that blower, and it launches it up all the way to the top, falls in. So pretty interesting. Don't mind my dirty windows. But we just got done getting all the junk silage out that we do not want to feed the cows. Because when it sits in there for a long time, it gets really moldy on the top. So we have to get it all out, dump it out, spread it on the field, whatever. And now he's backing back under the chute, if you can see. So he'll back under the chute, and we'll feed silage and dump it in just like we would normally do it. Just kidding, we have some more junk silage, so I'm gonna pull this tractor back out to the field and we'll make a pile of it. My dad's bringing all the bunks in, back into the cattle yard from the field. Look at that sunset. Alrighty, I'm gonna show you guys our feeder wagon. It's a 290 Harsh. I'm not sure what year we got it in, but I'm gonna explain how it works. So basically, you have a tractor, and you hook it up to the PTO. You flip this switch here, you pull it up, and that turns the PTO on. So it turns this little shaft, makes it spin. These are the big knobs for the augers that are inside of the feeder wagon. Right there, those 4 augers. So as you dump the feed in, these huge augers mix the feed. Then we use the levers inside the tractor, and there's this little door right here. This is what we call the slide. So this opens up to like right here and lets all the feed through, and then you pull another lever in the tractor which turn these augers on, flip this down, and dump it in the bunks. So that's how it works. And then we pull it with our John Deere 4040. Alrighty, chores are done, cows are fed, got the silo going, so that's always good. I'm gonna call it a night. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time. Yee yee!